kailangan nandun tayo.
Sir, the Secretary of Defense underscored the need for deterrence, but this is the second time that flares were used against PAF. What can the Philippines do to actually stop China from using flares for the third time?
Okay, we can all we can do is to continue our military operations in the area because these are legal operations. Again, we have the international law behind us. UNCLOS, the international humanitarian law, and the other international laws. So tayo ay sumusunod sa batas. Yung ibang bansa, katulad ng China, hindi sumusunod sa batas. Ini-insist nila na yung area ay sa kanila. Pero may hatol na noong 2016 na hindi po sa kanila yung area na yan. That is why we have to assert really our sovereignty and our sovereign rights.
Sir, China is unfazed by our joint patrols and our joint exercises with our allies. What other kinds of form
We
of
cannot say
offense?
that. We cannot say that they are unfazed, no? Because we will continue to sail through the South China Sea because of freedom of navigation and overflight. So tuloy-tuloy lang po yung gagawin natin. Basta't alam natin na ang nasa likod natin ay ang batas, no? International law.
Pero sir, hihintayin pa ba natin na magkaroon ng mga aksidente kagaya ng sa
Of course hindi, no? Katulad nga nung mga ginagawa natin, tayo po ay basta't legitimate yung operations na ginagawa natin, ay tuloy-tuloy po yung ating operations.
So yung flares, parang recently lang siya nangyari 3 times this month.
Yeah.
Do you view this as an escalation, sir?
It is an escalation, no? Definitely. Pero hindi lamang sa atin ginagawa yun. Pati sa US, ginagawa nila. Pati sa Australia, ginagawa ng China yung pag-release ng flares. No? This is a form of warning the other side. But again, for us, it is a dangerous maneuver. Kasi pag yung flares tumama sa atin, that's very dangerous.
So do you have capability, sir, na mag-retaliate ng flares?
Meron tayo, we have flares. No? In fact, nung Friday, ako po ay sumakay sa isang FA-50 natin at nagpatrolya kami sa West Philippine Sea. No? At tinesting rin natin yung flares natin. Gumagana yung mga flares natin. So we have that capability, but then again, because we follow international laws, hindi natin ginagawa yun sa iba.
Sino na unang ng flares, tayo or sila? Yung recently lang na
Yung
test
reason?
kayo ako. Nauna kayo nag-test.
Nauna sila. Nauna yung insidente nila. Tayo, tinesting natin ng Friday. Okay.
Ay, paggamit ng flares kapag tumakas sa level mo.
Well, pwedeng sumabog yung aeroplano natin, no? Or pwedeng masunog yung barko natin pag tinamaan ng flares.
Sir, more details sa patrols. Kailan to, sir, yung FA-50?
Nung Friday po ay sumakay ako sa ating FA-50 at nagpatrolya po kami sa West Philippine Sea.
Saan features, sir, malapit?
Basta dito sa West Philippine Sea northern portion ng ating western hemisphere. Tuloy-tuloy po yung ginagawa nating pagpatrolya. Because again, no, we are in the right position. We have the legitimate backing, which are the international laws and regulations.
Sir,
Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.